In this video, I'm going to show you how to get the links or hyperlinks listed in a website so you can get data from those websites too. So far, we've seen the XPath expression td/a/text to get all the text listed in a website. However, with this a tag or anchor, we can also get the href that contains the links in a website. So I'm going to click on inspect to show you what I'm talking about. So as you can see here, we have that TD tag, and inside it I have that A tag, and here I have the href that contains the link we want. So if I write /td/a, I get this node I'm talking about, or this element. So as you can see, this element has that link we want. So I'm going back to the terminal to test some code, and now I'm going to clean this. So I write the command scrapy shell, I open quotes, and now I'm going to copy the website. So I copy the link of the website and I put it inside the quotes. Then I run this command and I open the shell where I can test some code and XPath expressions. So now I'm going to clean this app to show you better the code I'm going to write. So now I write response.xpath, and now I open parentheses. As you may remember, this is the structure we use to get an element with an XPath expression. Now I write /td/a, and now I get all the A tags inside this element. As you can see, it's not well displayed because it's the terminal, but you get an idea of what we'll get with this XPath expression. So now let's go back to PyCharm to implement this. First, I delete text parentheses, and I'm just gonna leave that with /td/a. I'm gonna comment the title variable out, and now I'm going to loop through the country lists. So I'm gonna write for country in countries to loop through this list, because as you might remember, this XPath expression /td/a will give me a list of A tags, which by the way contain the href that has the links we want. Now inside this for loop, I'm going to write the variable country_name, and this is going to be equal to country.xpath. So I'm going to use this country variable as reference. Then inside parentheses, I'm going to use that /. Remember that this that is important because it considers the XPath inside the country variable as a reference. Then I write text with parentheses to get the text, and then I write .get to get this element. Now I duplicate this line of code and I'm gonna define a new variable which is named link. Now I'm gonna edit the XPath expression and I'm gonna write that /at href and then .get. So this at href is gonna give me what is inside this href attribute, which is the links we want. So now just a recap to make sure you understand everything. The countries variable represent all the elements that contain an A tag. There are multiple A tags, so we obtain a list and then we have to loop through it. Inside the loop, we use /text parentheses to get the text inside the A tag, and /at href to get the links inside the A tag. Of course, we have to include the $sign before the / to tell Python that we want to use the country XPath as a reference. This country XPath represents the /td/a we define for the countries list. Now I'm going to yield the results inside the loop. So first I copy the country names and link name to this string and also to the variables. Then I indent this yield expression inside the for loop. With this, we make sure that we print every country name and link. Now I go back to the terminal and I write the command scrapie crawl and the name of this spider, which is worldometer. Then I run this command, I press enter, and I wait till this is finished. So now I'm gonna scroll up a little bit to get the first results. And as you can see, here we can check the country names and also the links. So I'm gonna read one of them. For example, here we have a country name and China in the value, and the link world population / China - population. So this means that we got the link of the China country, and I'm gonna go to the website to make sure it's the same link. So I go to the website, and as you can see, this is not the whole link of the website because it doesn't include the worldometers.info / but only includes a part of the whole link. When you see that the website's full address is not displayed in the link, it means that you're dealing with a relative link. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to deal with this type of links.